with Frankie Meatball. Today, we're going to make some crab gravy. What? Crab gravy? Whoa. We're going to make some crab risotto here on Cooking with Frankie Meatball.
Hi, this is Denise Schroeder from Food Network Season 20, Worst Cooks in America.
Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Chris Scott from Worst Bakers in America, Season 2.
Hi, this is Kimberly D. Worthy from Food Network, Season 14 of Worst Cooks in America, and Season 1 of Worst Bakers in America. And you are watching Cooking with Frankie Meatball.
With a probably one of the most special guests you'll ever see on my show, Mama Meatball. Mama Meatball, say hello to everybody.
Hello, people.
So today we're going to make one of her special dishes. She's worked in the seafood industry for years. And she always made crab gravy, but today she's going to make crab risotto. So, without further ado, here is Mama Meatball, and she's going to tell you what to do after you buy the crabs. Because we had this argument. I said, Mom, what's the first thing you do? Clean the crab? No, you go buy the crab. Of course you're going to buy the crabs, right?
Right.
We're going to buy the crabs. So what's the first thing you do? You say buy the crabs, I'll give you one of these to the moon, Alice.
Clean them.
You clean them. So, follow us over to the sink. How we cleaning these?
All right.
But wait a minute. First, you gotta buy the crabs.
And make them take the backs off.
Make them take the backs off.
It makes it easy for you. You don't want to be getting bit. Because they get a hold of you, forget about it. They don't let go.
See,
it's like a razor.
That's what I got it from.
You get this little thing in the back and you flip it up. Now, you have to, see these things on the side? You have to get them off.
What are they?
I don't know.
Was that mussels?
No, I don't know what these are for them.
That's
it's
not
protection,
the poop, right?
I think. No, that's inside. That's the poop.
Okay, I don't want to.
All right, you take this off, and you have to get all this out, or your gravy will be bitter.
Risotto.
Yeah, risotto. And you get them over the sink, and you have to make sure you get all that out. This brownish color here, my dad taught me this when I was little. That means they're on the bottom of the ocean and they're doing nothing but dragging their butts and eating, so you have more meat in there. And there's your clean crab. And you just keep on repeating until you're done. Takes time.
So what we're going to do is we're going to finish cleaning these crabs. While Mama Meatball is cleaning these crabs, that's a job for her. I'm going to do some mise en place. I'm going to, how many cloves of garlic do we want?
2, 3, and you cut them in here. That's all.
2, 3 cloves of garlic. I'm going to cut some garlic. I'm going to cut some basil. And when these are clean, we're going to cook them.
Hi, we're back. Our crabs are cleaned. We're going to get the olive oil and we're going to coat the bottom of the pot. There was 3 cloves of garlic, all chopped up. Get the crab face up and put it upside down in the pot because you want the flavor of the crab in your sauce. Or as Frankie says, gris sauce.
I'm going to turn the pot a little on. How's that, Ma?
Yep. When it starts simmering, you want to lower it. You don't want to burn them.
For a dozen of crabs, what should they be using for their sauce and crushed tomatoes?
A can of Hunt's. I like Hunt's sauce, but you could get to the Russo sauce. You use 1 can of sauce and 2 to 3, depending how much gravy you want, of crushed tomato. You also use a big can of paste because the crabs make water and you don't want a watery gravy. It won't stick to your pasta.
So it's not like your typical risotto.
No.
You're pretty much cooking the crabs first in oil and garlic.
Just a few of them. They don't really cook. You want to get all that
Kind
in.
of sweating them, would you
Yeah,
say?
yeah.
Sweating the crabs first.
Only for 10 minutes. That's all. That's good enough.
Yeah, mix them around. You want to get the ones on the bottom, move them to the top. The ones on the top, move them to the bottom. You want to get that.
And you're not really cooking them. You're just like getting that taste in that.
Sweating them for the flavor.
I like to rinse it out and get all the tomato out of there. I don't put water in there. You don't want water for gravy.
Because tomatoes, the sauce already carries its own tomato. Tomatoes carry the water. And the longer you cook it, the more water you cook out of your tomatoes. That's why, I like cooking mine for about 8 hours. Everything I do is always low and slow,
Yeah, but seafood gravy, you really don't have to cook it like a regular good sauce, like you like to say.
We're going to put the paste in.
Okay, now all the sauce is in. Now we're going to put the seasonings in there. I get like a pinch of salt. Go
A pinch
around.
or a punch?
Pinch.
A pinch, not a punch, a pinch.
Couple pinches. Then you get your pepper. Just one little pinch of that. Then we're only going to use half of what Frankie cut. 2 tablespoons.
To cut that acidity, going to use some sugar to flavor it.
Basil. In the seafood gravies I make, I like it simple. Salt, pepper, and a little bit of basil. That's it. You don't want to take away from the seafood. Because then you might as well just make regular gris sauce.
Regular gris sauce. Don't worry, guys. This is the first time she showed me how to make this. It took her, how many years? I'm 42. Or am I 43?
Well,
I'm going to be 43.
I always make the
I tell you what. Frankie Meatball, we go, I kick everything up to the next level. So, I got to play with this and kick it up. And she gave me a look like she says, you kick this up, I'm going to kick you. Like, get your favorite weapon, go. You want to chase me around the house? No, Mommy, no! Salt, pepper, sugar. Now the best part, she actually cooks with wine. When I cook with wine, I never put it in my food, but she puts it in her food.
After about 2 hours, you could put it in the beginning, it doesn't matter, but I always put it in like for the last hour it's cooking, you put your wine in. But you could do it at the beginning. I really don't measure this up. I go by, and you're looking for a certain taste, and you'll get to know the taste the more you make it.
You want to use like a Zinfandel or Paisano. Zinfandel is more of a very fruity kind of wine. You know what I'm saying? So pretty much the wine and the sugar, you put some in, let it cook, taste it. Put some in, let it cook, taste it. You'll figure out where you want it to be, and that's where you're going to
According to your taste.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
I put this much wine in there, and then later on, I might want to put some more. You stir this up, and you just let it cook on a low gas for 3 hours.
3 hours! There's no meatballs in that gravy. You get yourself a lid, don't totally cover it. Let some air escape.
Yeah,
Okay.
I always keep them like that when I'm making sauce. Now we're going to let this cook for 3 hours. And if anybody tries to get in there and steal a crab before then, whack! With the wooden spoon they're going to get it.
I'm just going to take the wine now. Forget about that. While I'm drinking this and that's cooking, we'll be back on Cooking
with Mama Meatball.
Now I'm no stranger to being alone.
Huh? The Mama Meatball, Mama Meatball doing or this shit doing? Some crab linguine, huh? The crab risotto, the crab gravy, the crab sauce, macaronis and crabs, whatever you want to call it. Here it is. Take a taste. Make sure you leave a comment and tell Mama Meatball what you like about her gravy. Hey, what do you think? What do you think, huh?
I think it's good.
She got a little messy, her shirt. She said, I should have worn my Frankie Meatball shirt, but I don't want to get it dirty. Look at that. The Mama Meatball deliver or does she deliver, huh? I tell you, they say the apple doesn't fall too far from the tree. Well, look at me. I'm the meatball. I didn't fall too far from the tree, huh? Okay, guys. If you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook. Like us on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram. Mama Meatball, is there anything you want to tell them off about the gravy?
Enjoy. Make it and enjoy it.
If you like what you saw, make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified when a new video comes out every Wednesday. And don't forget, check out PhillyRockRadio.com. They play everything from the Four Pilots to the Bad Mother Rock.
Mama Meatball's rock.
They play my favorite, Ozzy Osbourne, Mach 22, Rat Rod, Twisted Sister, and lots more others.
Hey guys, it's time to get a little crowd, yeah? We're gonna go get crowd. You know what? Let's go, huh? Until next time! Forget about it, eh? It's a Frankie Meatball production.